What's going on YouTube? It's your boy K Saucy and we're back with another video. As you can see, we started off the video in the shop. Currently I am at Inspire. Got the TSX outside. You know what I mean? As y'all can see from the title below, we're gonna be installing some Swiss springs. I went with a 34K Swiss spring rate because I didn't want to go too stiff, but then I also didn't want to go too comfortable. And here they are. So I found these on Facebook Market. Y'all can see right there, 326 power Swiss springs. And then I also ordered a new set of Swiss 34Ks. Got this lock ring because if you look at mine in the rear, oh, the tie's not off yet, but the lock ring that goes behind here is pretty much fried and you can't really see it, but let's see what it consists of. The boy's about to be real life static. Got out that flaco. You there. Mondro. Dale.
Okay.
So yeah, let's see what today consists of. I got these Swiss. About to throw in this bad boy real quick. Let's see how these things change the quality of ride, man. Hey yo, Chad, look who pulled up on me.
I look crazy, Chad.
I told you, nigga.
My work, bro. I'm working hard right now, bro.
You're working hard. How you working?
Looking my hard.
Nigga said he working right now, right? Yeah, look where he at.
Hey, go ahead.
Mierda. El hueso. Out with the old. And with the new.
Combat.
Yeah, bro, my strut is bent.
Nigga, I know your strut bent. Nigga, you drop like shit.
It's no need for.
It's no need for.
It's my fault. It's no need for.
Anything that has to do with my car, bro, is your fault.
Definitely
man.
my fault.
It's your fault.
He wasn't for you.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, so we just finished putting front Swiss springs on. So look at this strut, y'all.
God damn. Nigga eating that shit.
When VSX was violated and fuck you, nigga. ¿Cómo fue?
Yo estaba viendo por el espejo a ver si yo veía quién era ahí.
That nigga is funny.
Nigga car be on autopilot.
Nada más se veía la gorra que se asomó por ahí.
You thinking about it? We gotta just take it back though.
That's all we gotta do.
I miss my fucking Swiss.
But that's all we have to do. Tell him, Mondro.
I'm gonna put my shit back on washers though.
Why? What happened?
Is like the most diabolical person I know. And if he's not on washers anymore, bro, I don't think anybody should be, bro.
Stop being static, bro. It was hurting my back after my accident.
It was hurting your what?
Don't put that in there.
Hey, yo, no Diddy. This is why you come to Inspire.
Fuck you.
The BC graveyard.
The BC graveyard. I brought a whole
Static is dead.
BC nigga second static.
Because static is dead.
You a hating ass nigga.
Bend it.
And I ain't gonna lie, you saying literally is crazy.
No, like literally, this is the home of Static is Dead. Like, everybody come here on coils and we going back.
Gotta tell you.
That back shit cake.
Penetrante.
Penetrar el pene.
Flaco, eso lo sacamos de aquí.
No, porque esa queda alta. Hay que
He was like, wait, what?
If I would just take off my bumpers, I'm gonna keep it for the winter. Which one is newer though? Mine. Oh, it is.
Hydraulic, man. Eso no todo el aceite, bro.
¿Qué tú haces ahí?
Sheesh. Dale.
Activo, con el monstruo y el flaco a la cabeza. No bulto.
No bulto. Esos son los códigos, bro.
Tú estás claro.
Está
que somos
claro.
los mejores. Hay que hablar con nosotros,
Bobo. Say that again.
What's up, YouTube? It's K Saucy. I'm finally done.
I finally
No
dunked.
gaps. No more old monster truck. We outside, nigga. Eat dick. If y'all finally don't.
Okay.
Beat that out so you don't get banned on you.
Nah, that shit's going in there.
Shit going in.
Sheesh, boys. We got the Swifts in there. Dile tu, monstro. Swift gang. Dumb.
This shit is dumb.
What you mean, gang?
Nigga, this shit gonna be dumb, nigga. We
Yo,
dumb.
bro, I gotta put my wheels on, y'all.
Come back for that. Don't worry about
When we put the wheels on, we're gonna have new struts.
Cool.
you.
This shit built some hot, man.
How you feeling, bro?
Cologne struts. Cologne everything. You on Swifts, nigga. Can't even put on my wheels because my shit's gonna blow, man. Fried rice, nigga.
Man.
Give me that cheese.
Oye, así es que la vamos a mandar a buscar ahora, Santo Domingo. Te dije que hay que hablar con nosotros. Cero de que normal, con grabado por dentro. El grabado que tú quieras, te la mandamos a hacer. Oíste.
Hueso.
Eso es para esa serie de
Esos son pescados adentro.
Tú estás claro con un dragón.
El hueso.
No, bull.
Dragon Ball Z.
Ya tú sabes. El novato del año es el que más huevos pone. No, bull. Dale, ven.
El hueso.
El novato del año.
Dale derecho ahí.
El jueguero del año. Derecho. Allá.
No, espérate. Dale.
Oye, que brinca, mamá.
Oh, bro, what the fuck? El hueso.
Good job.
This nigga said
real
it's
looks the same, bro.
No, it does not. Nigga,
The
you
front looks
crazy?
low. The front looks low, I can tell. I'm scared, man.
Alright, y'all, so this is day 2 of the vlog. Reason why I didn't do a reveal yesterday. My mic is currently not on the camera because I've been having some battery issues with it. So we're back up and running, whatever the case may be. And I got my son Rubio outside, nigga.
Shoppy, man.
Yeah. Gotta dry this. Oh.
My titties bouncing, nigga.
We outside, man. So we did the Swifts yesterday and I drove the car. The car feels immaculate. The only thing is that this shit feels static as a motherfucker. Like, this car feels completely different now. So I got my boy driving the V real quick so that he could get a feel of what the car feels like now and whatnot. So this shit's about to be a movie. Oh. You gotta take it around the block, bro.
Yeah.
Take that shit across or some shit. Oh.
Oh my god. It's like that, cat?
Yeah. Shit crazy, right?
Nah.
I'm trying to tell you.
Try not to hit nothing. Oh my god. Is that
Gonna
real
be
static
almost-
shit?
Huh?
This that real static shit?
Type shit.
When niggas jack that static is?
Type shit. The windows up. So the audio don't sound crazy. The one in the back too.
Oh my god. Fat ass nigga driving a car. Static car.
Alright, yeah, so we about to hit this strip real quick so my son can feel the suspension or whatnot. You won't feel that shit though, watch.
I ain't trying to feel that. I'm scared, gang. I don't want to bing bang. I don't want none of that.
Dale, tranquilo. You gonna catch air though, probably.
Como el tigre cachado, ¿tú viste? Nah, no es. Is that real static shit, bro? Shit feel good.
I ain't gonna lie, 34Ks, they stiff.
Oh, get used to this shit. Put some 50s on it.
Yeah. That's the goal.
Oh my Jesus. Shit feel good though.
Tiene que tirarte para allá.
When I get used to this,
Shit is a
take
vibe.
off the bags off the TSX? Question mark?
I'm telling you, bro, bags for man. Oh shit. Bags is for fast, man.
Oh my god, I forgot about this bump.
No, you good, Don't worry about it.
Shit's so bouncy, my foot coming off the gas. Sound like you feel me?
Yeah, that shit feel crazy. Nigga looking at that shit.
No static shit. Los frenos que tan buenos, tengo que cambiar los míos.
Y los frenos se le están yendo ya a este carro.
Oye.
I ain't gonna lie, bro, aquí, bro, Yonkers no se siente.
No.
Nah, no se siente, no se
Este
siente.
lado de Yonkers.
No se siente, bro. Nigga, in my hood, bro, my head be touching this shit, yeah. I be catching air in my seat, bro, I swear to God. Es que esta calle tan buenísima para acá. Ahí tú lo vas a sentir ahora.
I went over there, but I'm gonna go this way.
You gotta like, when you get to like 25, 30, then you start feeling like the
The real.
yeah, you gonna feel it right now.
Static
right?
bounce.
OD. Tu away. Cuidado aquí.
Ay, mi madre, Kevin.
Shit is an OD vibe, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like de este lado no se siente tanto.
Maybe because I'm driving scary, not trying to hit no holes, you know?
Nigga, I be sending this shit now, I don't give a fuck.
I feel like I'm black right now, bro. I've been
Come
on
on,
the sun
see.
all day, gang.
Chamaquito rubio.
Rubio, calvo.
¿Cómo así?
Todo un ching, gordo, nunca flaco. Oh my God, it made me honk the horn. Oh my goodness.
I got mad shit in the trunk though, so.
Yeah.
But it's okay, you probably hear mad shit.
Then I was capping about the bounce, bro.
Nigga, that pingata.
Oh my God, yo, make sure you get my titties bouncing on the floor. It's a real life static. It's a static for real.
Desde que yo le puse los brines,
Yeah.
I haven't really been showcasing the car.
I mean, they do gotta break in because we did this shit yesterday, no?
Type shit.
We set in sturdy. Ahí que se va a poner bueno el carro, de verdad. Atrás.
Okay, el carro brinca, yeah. Only like if I'm on the highway, bro. Pero local, it doesn't not even worth it, bro. Cause you be in first gear, right?
Yeah.
Once you about to shift,
Yeah.
nigga, that shit be fucking. It be like, de tanto brincar type shit.
Right here, we don't really feel it though. Llévelo ahí.
There you go, eso.
So I think I can own a static car. Being the bag man, you think I can own a static car? Yo no escuché el primer fuetazo que yo he dado.
Bro, yo got okay, you fuck with it?
Static cush.
Static cush. I ain't gonna lie, ese lado se ve feo. Yeah. Eso sí que está sucio. Sucísimo. Yeah. My son Noni outside. I don't know where the fuck
Yo,
this
last
guy
time they
went.
seen my car. It gotta be. It
Yo.
gotta be.
We got the M340. M340. Sheesh. And we got the Type R down there. Son Rubio got the Fast and the Furious crib. Yo, Rubio, they didn't even see the front yet.
Nah, they haven't even.
El hueso para. Mierda, Rubio.
Ahí está ahora, no ya.
Mierda, Rubio.
I don't know, yo.
Diablo. Es así que tú andas.
Not my car.
¿Cómo que no?
It's not.
La semana.
It's not my car.
El hueso.
Everything financed.
Finance. ¿Qué va a hacer?
Everything financed.
And my son got the waffles on this bitch. Okay. And there she is, y'all. God, Static boys outside, man. Hell yeah. Sheesh. I just fell in love with the TSX once again. Excuse me for me being in the shade. It's just hot as hell today. The Swiss springs is something you really cannot explain. Like, that shit feels crazy. Like, before the car felt smooth, it felt stock and whatever the case may be, but now this car feels completely different. It's stiff, but going from stock BC spring rates to 34K spring rates, there's a massive difference. Like, you just have to be in the car. I will say I am content with the car. The car has been very well. The car's just been dirty because I recently just got back from Florida. So the car's just been sitting ever since. And I just left it abandoned, whatever the case may be, like the usual. But now that we got the Swiss springs on, get ready because as y'all seen in my last video, we did get new wheels for the TSX. So if you haven't tuned into that, tune in because this thing's gonna be outside soon. No, you guys don't want to miss that. Took it to my boy's shop because my AC was giving me a little bit of an issue. Come to find out, all the car needed was a little bit of refrigerant, whatever that shit's called. So we put a little bit of that in, and the AC is working completely fine now. So the car's back to life. Now that we got the springs, like I said, we got a lot of shit coming. We're gonna install the wheels very soon, just waiting for the tires to come in. Once the tires come in, we're gonna be sending it to get mounted and then start fucking with the fitment so that we could get this car back outside. But as y'all can see, the car's sitting like this, stock wheels, lip kit, Euro R grill. This car is beautiful. The Swiss springs definitely changed the look on the car. It looks much more aggressive. Like I said, stay tuned because we got a lot of shit coming for the TSX. And this your boy K Saucy. Remember to stay saucy, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Bow.